Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Ashish Conceptuals. On this video, we are going to discuss an important strategy for the NEET exam, that is how to attend a confusing question. Let's go to the video. Before that, let me ask you a question. How do you feel if you are getting a doctor as a personal mentor for your NEET preparations? That will be wonderful, right? The doctor is already completed that NEET exam successfully, got a high score in the NEET exam and studying in one of the prestigious institute in India, and that doctor is giving advices to you that how to study the NEET exam. How will be that? That is the idea of DOPA, and let's roll the DOPA title for you. What is DOPA? DOPA is a bunch of doctors studying in a prestigious institute in India with high score in the NEET and who already cracked that thing, and he know how to crack the NEET exam very well. And that person will be assigned you as a personal mentor. This person will tell you that how to study, what to study and when to study. And if you are having some trouble during your study, for example in an exam you cannot score well, at that time this person will come to you and tell you that what to do now and how to prepare that, and I know that will help you really in your NEET preparation. Let's discuss our topic. You know that thing, our NEET exam will be having multiple choice questions, right? We will be having almost 180 questions will be there, and in this 180 question there will be multiple options will be there, like option A, option B, option C and option D will be there. And in many of the question you can assume that the option A and option D will not be the answer. You can see that I am taking the options arbitrarily. Two options you can eliminate because you know that thing, these two options are not related to the topic, so you can eliminate. But what happens? You will be getting confused between the two options. It is B or C, which is the right answer. You know that thing, if you are getting a right answer, you will be getting 4, and if you are making a wrong guess, you will be losing 1 mark. So what to do? Should you avoid that negative mark? What to do that thing? Should you leave that thing or will you attempt that thing? Let's see that thing with a simple example. Just imagine that at the end of the exam, you will be having a number of questions like that, and you are going to put a wild guess on 10 questions. You are going to attend 10 questions like in this way. And what happens that, just imagine in your case, in this extreme case, I am getting 2 questions you are getting right and 8 questions you are getting wrong. This is a maximum probability. I am telling like you will definitely get more than 2 questions right, but I am taking the minimum one to understand that thing. You are just imagine you are getting 2 questions right and 8 questions wrong. So how much mark you will be getting? For this 2 questions you will be getting into 4, that will be 8 marks. And for that 8 wrong questions you will be losing -1 mark each, so you will be losing -8. So what happened? There is no loss, no gain, nothing. The total net effective 0 only. So what should you do? What is my message here? I am telling like go for all these 10 questions and you will definitely get 5 questions as right answers. And if you are getting 5 questions as right answer, you know you will be getting into 4, that will be 20 marks, and you will be getting 5 questions as wrong answer, that will be losing -5 mark. You will be getting extra 15 marks there. You have to understand this thing. If you want to score like that, I know at the end of this 180 question there is no 10 question, there will be such confusing question, at least 50 question will be confusing like this. So what you have to do? You have to go and you have to attempt all that 50 question, and just imagine that you will be almost getting 60 marks extra, plus 60 mark extra you will be getting. And if you are leaving this 50 question, you are losing all the marks. And you have to know in NEET exam, even single mark values, one single mark can cause hundreds or thousands of rank difference between you and your friends. Keep that in mind. If you are confused with one question, go attempt that thing. There is more probability that you will be getting a right answer and you will be getting more marks on that thing. So there are a lot of other NEET strategies are also there. What you have to do? You have to follow my channel, subscribe it, click the bell button, and comment below which all strategies you need in the future. So I'll be coming with each of the strategies in a well detailed manner. Till that, bye bye.